Hi everyone, welcome back to Fun Art by Linda. Today I am going to pour on this. This is a little magnet. And I did a swipe in a previous video and I really like the colors. So shouldn't be too hard to swipe a magnet this size, right? We'll see. So the paint pillow I am using is Glidden Essentials, semi-gloss white, and my pouring medium I use Behr 8300 and Minwax polycrylic mixed 3:1. I love it. I am not really attempting, but I'm thinking about getting some of the Jasonja. I know some other people use it and have great success with that. So I have a little bottle here, but if I'm going to go and use it, try it out, I want to have enough. Okay, I think I have too much on here. Yeah, look at that. That's perfect now. You can basically tell the thickness. I'm wasting paint, but I am going to try and reuse it. I have a bucket here, and that's where I put it all in. All right, so let's try and do the same colors as I did in that previous one. We'll go like this and like that. Not too difficult. Okay. And then the dark green, that was Amsterdam Aqua green. And this is my custom green made with phthalo green and black mixed together, and it darkened it up really nicely. Then we're going to go with Folkart Emerald Flash. And a custom one I did with acrylic, black, and then blue acrylic, black added, silver added, and turquoise added. So it came up really light. Kind of liking it. Gee, wonder what my favorite colors are. Always doing the same colors. Oh boy, what can we say about that? I'm a blue lover. Teal. All right, so this shouldn't be too hard to swipe, so I am going to load up my little palette knife here. Not too full. Make sure it's all covered. And then some black. Okay. I see a bubble. Right there. There. Okay, we're good. Okay, so down. And there it is. Oh, this one was a better one. Much better one. The other one went a little squiggly. As you can call it, squiggly, I don't know. The cells came out really good. It means my cell activator is liking me today. one little area that has some cell activator that didn't do much. So let's spin it and see what we get. Wow, it's cute. And it's kind of cool. Moving it down a bit. Don't those colors look awesome? It's better than the previous one I did. Still so much paint coming off. Pretty colors. I'd paint my whole house blue if I could. Not quite. Not sure how much more to take off, but it's still coming off. A couple more spins. Wow, the paint. I should have spun the pillow out more. Ooh, meowing. Share Bear. He got downstairs where we're doing renovations and is meowing at the door all the time now, wanting to go down there. He must remember it from before when he was allowed to go down there. Well, I think we're going to take it, guys. How's that little guy? He's little and he is cute. Love it. Not very good at doing swipes, but you know what? Got to keep trying and practicing, and I'm getting better. Wow. My colors. Some people would be shaking their head at me. Yeah, we know. Can I say? I'm happy with this one. Today is a good day. I thank everybody for stopping in and checking out this little small magnet made in with a swipe. It's a win. Yay! If you like the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and help me grow my channel. I'm doing more and more videos, and I appreciate everybody watching them. It gives me confidence and pleasure to sit here and stare at the walls when I'm talking to you, but I know you guys are listening to me. Hit the notification bell, and then you'll be notified when I post new videos, and share it with your friends if you choose. Come back next time and we'll see what we're going to create next. Have a great day, everyone.